Just rolled the runner doing donuts. I'm a little freaking shook up, but
Okay, pull it.
holy shit, guys, that was scary.
You pull it. It's not going to be gas, it's going to be slow through. Are you in 4 low? Yeah, go.
Keep going.
A little more. There.
All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to the shop today. My name is Austin, and today what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna watch me take my door off this 4Runner and swap it with this door on this 4Runner. Reason being, like 2 years ago or so, I was out in the desert, thought I would be cool and do some donuts, and I laid it on its side. Mirror's all jacked up. The door doesn't seal up here. It's really noisy on the road. You can kind of, it's like smushed into my dash. It's kind of hard to tell. Anyway, just doesn't look good, doesn't function very well. Luckily it doesn't leak water. What it is, I get a ton of wind noise. So what we're gonna be doing is pulling this door panel off, because the other one's got a different color. And then basically take the door off and then swap them. So pretty straight up. And we'll go through the whole process on how to take these door cards off and all that. So let's jump into it. Okay, so there's a screw here you take out. And then you just use a little screwdriver. Pry that up forward, and you can undo all your switches here. Come on. Bam. And then basically all right, so we got the door card off, or door panel, whatever you want to call it. And then you have to take the kick panel off underneath the dash, and it's, let's see, it's this plug and this plug right here. And then you just pull it through. It's gonna fight me, I know it. 2 big plugs in one small hole. But you can kind of see where I'm trying to go there. And then it's just 4 bolts. Pretty easy. So I'm gonna fight these out here, and then I'll show you how to take this door off. Okay, so we've got the plugs out. Got the door stop unhooked. It's just this one 10mm screw there. Now there's 4 12mm bolts to hold the door on, and it'll come right off. And bam, we have removed a 3rd gen door. Heck yeah. So like I said, it's all damaged. The roof is actually messed up too. The rack actually pushed my roof down, so I had to makeshift this little spacer. It's kind of ghetto, but I don't know how to fix the roof, so for now we're just gonna fix the door. Need the new fender, and then we'll figure out that later. Let's cruise on over to the other 4Runner and all right, so this is the other 4Runner we have. This is my buddy's 4Runner. He bought it wrecked. And now what we're gonna do later on, you'll see this in a video, is we're gonna steal the motor out of that and put it in his 4Runner. But this thing is actually really nice. We should just fix it. But this is the door cart. This is the door we're taking. All the damage is up there. This door is fine. It's black. It's got the gray insert, but this does have like custom leather seats, which is pretty cool. If they were in better condition, I'd buy them from him. But anyway, we gotta switch this out. But yeah, this is that 4Runner I keep mentioning. So let's tear it off and then we'll install the new door on my 4Runner. All right, new door is off that 4Runner. That's the new door right there. The old door, my old door, I've already put it back on and put it in place. So now I want to keep the factory lock, and I want to keep this bezel piece because on that other door it kind of looks like this. It's all faded and kind of nasty. So it looks like it's going to be fairly simple. Couple bolts here, one electronic connection. Might have to undo this like rod here, and I think we'll have it out. But yeah. Okay, so swapping this out is kind of tricky, but it's not too bad. So you've got to undo this rod right here. Best way to do it I found is take a piece of channel lock or some channel locks and kind of pinch it out. You get to the second bolt. There's 2 bolts, one right here, and then you access it through this hole. I already took it out. This orange clip comes off right here, and then there's one electrical connection, some ties, and then that handle comes completely out. Took me a minute to figure it out, but nothing too crazy. All right, so there's my factory door handle. There's the one I took out. You can kind of see there's a little bit of wear, and it's not my key. But yeah, this right here, this piece fought me the most. It's where like the rod goes when you lift the handle that pushes it down so it opens the door. Gave me the most problems, but nothing we couldn't handle. So literally handle, dad jokes. Let's throw this handle on this door, this handle on the other door, because that car obviously sits outside and I don't want it to get ruined any more than it is. So making progress, slowly but surely. All right, so we're done with this door for now. I got to get a piece to fix it, but old shitty door on wrecked 4Runner. So now we're gonna go reassemble my 4Runner. All right, so new door ready to be installed. I'm gonna install the handle when it's installed on the truck. Wife's gonna help me put it on, and yeah, everything's coming out nicely. Thank you for your help.
Got you.
done. Everything fits pretty good. It had an aftermarket tweeter. I'm gonna put the stock one back in. It's not working very good. Yeah, everything fits awesome. Window rolls down. Since the door was bent on my old one, it didn't really like to work. Bam. Look at that. No dents. I kind of like the dents, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because it kind of gave it some personality, but it's nice to have a clean rig. I wouldn't have really cared, but the door just didn't seal very good. It was loud as hell to drive it on the freeway, so this will be super nice. Turned out great. Got a factory mirror again, which is awesome, heated. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. So yeah, it's a pretty simple job, guys. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today. More to come on the old 4Runner. Gotta do some stuff on the rear end here, get that suspension dialed. So stay tuned for that and give it a like. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and we'll see you next time.